Bayelsa government debunks replacing Nengi as the face of girl child in the state. The Bayelsa state government has reacted to the confusion trailing the issue of the face of Bayelsa state girl child. Recall that there were issues after the Bayelsa state government announced that law first-class graduate Miss Eradiri is the face of the state girl child. According to report, the Bayelsa-born first-class law graduate has made Bayelsans proud and the entire Izon nation on her excellent performance at the Niger Delta University and the Nigerian Law School Lagos campus. However, in a statement, the state government revealed that the reality TV star and Miss Eradiri are to work together to inspire the girl child in Bayelsa State. It will be recalled that the reality TV star had earlier debunked the rumor that the Bayelsa State government dropped her as the face of girl child in the state. Meanwhile, after the announcement of Miss Eradiri as the face of Bayelsa State girl child, a lot had thought it was a replacement for Nengi. However, the chief press secretary to the Bayelsa State governor, Daniel Labara, in a chat with BBC Pidgin said, Nengi has not been removed or replaced, but work with Miss Eradiri to help the girl child in the state. He said, and I quote, Nengi is from the entertainment sector, and as such she can function perfectly there, while Miss Eradiri will function in the education sector. This is for them to inspire and encourage young women from the state. It is wrong for people to speculate and politicize everything. End of quote. For more of these amazing stories, please log on to our website www.broadwaytv.tv. Our Instagram page is at the Broadway TV. You can follow us on our YouTube page and subscribe at the Broadway TV. Thank you and please do stay safe.